It's me. I know we've been gone a while. Well, I know. I heard something in the woods. But anyway, we've been gone a while. Yeah, some of y'all was wondering where we've been and what we're doing. For right now, because of that COVID-19 thing and states being shut down and all that, we're back in our home state. And holy moly, yeah. I'm just using my phone real quick. Sorry about that. It just fell. I'm gonna leave it in there because that's how I do it. But anyway, we're back in our home state, just at RV park, just sitting still, not traveling or anything. But really, we're trying to get prepared for this year's travels. But because, like I said, the COVID-19 and everything's closed, we decided just to hang tight, stay in one spot. So we're back home, making some big changes in our lives. Nothing drastic. Gonna be getting rid of the old little Winnebago. It's gonna be gone. We're getting something else. Right now we're just working some jobs. I'm doing my typical summer job I do. Then she's got her little job she's working on, which that's where she's at right now. Not a whole lot's been going on. I mean, there ain't, there's nothing to do. So I don't want to bore you with the same old stuff every day. This is my backyard. Pretty beautiful. I mean, you can see it's woods and everything. It's really nice. But actually what we're buying is sitting right here beside me. I just don't want to show it yet because it'd be, I think it'd be unfair to show it without her because she's super excited about it. And you know how I am. I mean, I'm glad we got it, or but I don't let balloons go off in the air or nothing like that. So, but anyway, I'm not gonna show it yet. You'll just have to wait for that. I just wanted to get on here real quick and just let you know we're still alive, we're still doing our thing, and still traveling. Well, was traveling. Right now we're sitting still, but time just slipped away from me. I didn't realize. So I looked at the old YouTuber there, and I realized how long it'd been since we put a video up. Time goes by so fast when you get busy. But anyway, not much been going on. You haven't missed anything. Just everyday stuff, and I'm just not gonna bore you to death with looking at the same old tree every day. I just ain't gonna do it. Up here pretty soon we're gonna get started on some projects we got planned out, and we'll start showing you all that. Start recording some stuff. Shouldn't be much longer. I don't really want to say when, but it won't be much longer. A couple weeks, 2 weeks, a week, something like that. It won't be real long. But anyhow, I'm trying to think. I had like so much I wanted to say, and now my mind is just like it's all gone. But yeah, we're getting rid of our little travel trailer, getting rid of it, getting something different. So that'll be coming out. We'll be showing it to you here soon. See if any of y'all can guess what it is. Should be super easy, but put it down in the old box down there. See if you can guess what it is. We won't be traveling much. We're gonna be here to the end of summer. Try to let all this silliness go away. Looks like they're gonna drag it out forever. It looks like. But anyway, most states are opening back up and are getting back to normal. Ours is still, they're dragging it out as long as they can. They're really enjoying this. They're loving it. The politicians here, I ain't even gonna talk about that. We don't have any. We just got a bunch of idiots in here. But anyway, beside the point. Once all that clears up, we'll try to get back to normal, getting out and doing things, and we've been doing a lot of cooking at home though. That's one good thing. Haven't been eating that much. But I really am excited to get started on working on our new rig for the year. Got a lot of stuff we need to do, and we'll be showing that to you. I just don't want to show you what it is yet without her, and she's at work, so we'll do that later. Other than that, everything's been going good. Just thought I'd jump on here real quick just to say hi and appreciate everybody hanging around. I even got some new subscribers. I've been just so busy lately, I haven't even been on there. I haven't even looked at it. So I just noticed that. I'm sorry if I hadn't recognized you. I just literally just noticed today that a bunch of y'all have joined, and I appreciate it, and I appreciate the ones who's hung around. Try to do better. I get so busy. I got one track mind. I can only concentrate on one thing at a time, and just so many things has come up all at once all of a sudden that I just lost track of time, and didn't realize how long it'd been since we put a video out. So anyhow, I'm just rambling. I just want to get on here and say hello to everybody, let you know we're still here, we're still doing it, just kind of in the slow time right now, nothing going on. So just be patient. Here pretty soon you get to see our new rig. So yeah, I think that's it. Except for whatever I'm hearing in the woods. I don't know. Might be a bear coming to get me. But yeah, I'm going to jump off here. I just want to say hello everybody. Hope you all doing great. Appreciate you hanging around, and I'll see you next time. God bless you.